Welcome back to Celebration. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 1st to the 5th of June 2026 on Monday. Jack makes a plan to keep Swazi and Fikile apart. Lucy convinces Dando to be a model to G-Wagon frustration. Lulu decides to put her career before Kamo. Lulu chases a big interview. Kumo finally makes a contact. Mzi regains consciousness and Sebe realizes she is in trouble on Tuesday. Gia's future looks bleak. Kumo makes a demand of Kamohelo and leaves Lula shaken and suspicious. Fikile puts her foot down, making Jack happy but leaving Swazi in turmoil. Nokwazi confront Lucy on Wednesday. Dando doesn't appreciate Nokwazi trying to burst his modeling bubble. Mzimkulu abandons Nomasebe. Kumo is back and doesn't appreciate the way Kumo and Mowachi have handled the Gia situation. He vows to set things straight on Thursday. Tension between Kamu and Lulu persists, and she ups and against the Moroccans. Kumo is way ahead of Mowachi's handling Gia's case. Swazi gets what she wants, but not the way she wants it. Sebe spirally as her world spin out of control on Friday. Lucy has an uncomfortable night in G-Wagon's bed. Jack and Figile's engagement party is interrupted again. Kumo immerses himself in Gia's case. Lulu and Gamo reconcile for only a moment before family intensify or interferes again. Sam gets Sebe a job. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.